Alright guys, I'm just going to jump straight into it. The holidays are around the corner. Today we're going to be talking about the top 3 cameras for self-content creation in 2022 and 2023. These cameras, you can technically use them for most things, but where they're going to shine is going to be vlogging, talking heads, podcasts, live streaming. That's about it. The first camera that I'm going to be talking about is the Sony ZV-E10. It can shoot up to 4K 60. It has a flip out screen. You can change the lens with no adapter needed. It's small, compact, and it has good eye autofocus. It has a headphone jack so you can have better external audio. It shoots 24 megapixels, which is more than enough for thumbnails. And it comes with an HDMI port so you can live stream. Now, camera numero dos is gonna be the Nikon Z30. Now, this camera is gonna feel a little bit more sturdy because the body's made out of alloy, so it is a little bit stronger and just slightly bulkier, not by much. It has 20 megapixel, which is more than enough for social media and thumbnails. You don't have that many lens selection, which is kind of a drawback. However, it does have a mic jack so you can put external microphone, and it comes with an HDMI port for live streaming as well. And the good thing about this camera is that it has a really good grip, unlike the Sony ZV-E10. Not that it doesn't have a good one, it's just smaller, that's all. And last but not least, we got the Canon R10. The R10 actually shoots up to 4K 60. However, there is a crop, which is something to take into consideration. For what I do, it's not a big deal, but for some of you guys it might be, depending on what you guys are doing. The R10 also has 24 megapixel, which is more than the Nikon Z30 and the Sony ZV-E10. It of course also has a headphone jack, so you can put an external microphone for better audio. Once again, the downside of the R10 is that it does not have that many good lens selection so far. Now, the R10 does also have an HDMI port in order to live stream. Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for. The Sony ZV-E10 comes around $799. The Nikon Z30 also comes around $799 when it's on sale. And the Canon R10 comes around $999, just under $1,000. Now, if I had to pick between all of them, I would say it depends, because if you're trying to grow with the camera, I would probably go with the Sony ZV-E10 because of the lens selection. Now, if you're trying to go with the user-friendly, I would probably go with the R10 because of the menu system. It's super easy to learn. And if you're looking for an in-between, I would probably go with the Nikon Z30. Now, I will be making another video about cameras in general and how to pick the right one when starting out, so be on the lookout for that. But I hope you guys got some quick value out of this video, and if you guys did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.